bright, independent, and loving little girl. And we are so happy po na magkakasama tayong lahat to celebrate this wonderful milestone with Athena. So palakpakan naman natin si Athena. And smile naman, Athena. And pwede ka na tayo po. And so to make the most of our time, we will go straight into our 7 rope traditions. So first, the 7 flowers. So first, we have the 7 flowers. I request all of our 7 flower givers to please get ready. As I call your name, please come forward and share a quick sweet dance to our celebrant. So first, the loving Grandpa. Grandpa Tapagong Garcia. Yung flowers. Pictures. Yung mga photographer natin. Mr. Kuya Jeff Pangteko. Miss Ready.
Okay lang.
Picture. Next, Mr. Kuya Gerald Garcia.
Picture to.
Mr. na,
Kuya pa. Next, may call Mr. Kuya John D. Garcia.
Dalaga na. Diba? Susunod yan.
Picture.
Na. Tanda na natin. 7-11 years.
So, alright, next. May call Mr. Kuya Romel Garcia.
Last na, 7. Susunod yan, 18.
Smile, smile, ha?
Picture. Alright, and last but not the least, ang nag-iisang pinaka-pwede daw sa paningin ni Athena, si Papa Rodney Garcia.
Wow, laki naman ng flower.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? There's no more meaning at all. And I never thought love would be.
Alright, music, all the 7 roses. Please come forward, picture po tayo lahat. The 7 flowers.
Isn't she pretty? Truly the angel.
Picture.
Boy, I'm so happy. We have been having.
Malaki isa.
I can believe what God has done. To us His kids and have
Oh, wow. That's a sign.
faithful love.
1, 2, 3, smile. Alright.
Happy birthday, Athena! Hi, Hello sa California. Hello kay Shan. Hello. 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 Away kayo sa TMC.
Birthday, Athena!
Yay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Athena!
Okay naman, okay na.
Play kayo natin. Play kayo.
Alright, next we have the 7 treasures. So this gift represents the tools and wisdom Athena will carry as she goes. So treasure givers, please line up. Come forward as I call your name to present your gift and share your special
happy birthday. Ang gusto ko lang is, siguro, sa kapalik ko na rin sa gift para kaya mo mag-voice out na lahat ng gusto sa iyo. Sana nga sila lang ng college mo para makinisay. Kaya kanila sa birthday nga, lalo nyo ang dati. Hindi lang naman yung gusto para sa iyo. Nakalimutan mo na dito lahat kami para sa iyo. Happy birthday!
Alam ko yan, Barbie.
Mayor Proud, Miss Ate Jaceline Vanessa. Happy birthday, Athena. Wish ko sana lumaki ka pa rin mabuting bata at matalino. Okay, next. Kuya Timothy and Ezekiel. Birthday, thank you for inviting us. Miss Ate Kayla, ang teko.
Wow.
Kaya Tina, happy birthday. I wish for you to grow up kind, smart, and independent in yourself. Don't let negativity go to you. Sana confident ka lang and stay strong. Alright, next, Miss Ate Jamila Garcia. Miss Ate Jenay Garcia.
Happy birthday, Alina. Sana pagpatuloy mo na yung pag-ibibigo mo. Matalino, mapagmahal. Ayun lang, wish ko sa'yo, sana magkaroon ka ng good health. May pangit sa Diyos. Etong gift ko, magagamit mo to para mag-create ng maraming memories kasama si papa mo, si mama, si grandpa, mga friends mo. Sana magustuhan mo ng happy birthday.
Nagka-clap hands ka.
Alright, and last, ang pinakamaganda at sexy tita naman, me, myself, and I. Kaya sa wala kayo magagawa. Miss Rawan Garcia. Happy birthday, Tina. Ano yun? Wala akong nalibig eh. Ayan, happy birthday, Tina. Sana naging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Magkakadayot ka lang lagi at mag-aral ka lang mabuti. Happy birthday! Please come forward. Pictures po tayo lahat. Group photo. Okay, let's proceed to the second list. This ready? Our first miracle, Mr. PNJ Adriano.
Hindi na wala na si BMJ dito, pero may inabot siya sa akin para sa'yo daw. And wish niya daw sa'yo na maging mabait ka pa. And yun lang.
Okay, next. Miracle, Miss Ate Mona Garcia.
Happy birthday, Alina. Ang wish ko sa'yo is to grow up with faith, God, and to be very respectful sa parents mo, to listen and to study. And you always pray, okay, for his grace. Okay, happy birthday.
May I call Miss Ate Julia Garcia?
Nakatingin naman si Ben.
Dahil daw kita may 20% discount siya. Joke. Happy birthday, sana mo ba kang mabait, matalino, at saka lagi mo mamahalin ng parents mo, ng mga sakto mo, family mo, ayun lang, harap ka ng mabuti. Happy birthday at
Okay, picture. Okay, next, may I call Miss Ate Kay Octeco?
Adina, ang wish ko sa'yo, sana lagi kang maging happy and lahat ng dreams mo, lahat ng wish mo ay magkatotoo. Saka sana lagi kang blessed ni Papa God. Yun lang, love ka ni Ate Kay. Happy birthday!
Okay, next. Miss Tita Veronica Kabigting.
Wala, nasa Australia.
Okay, nabigay na daw.
Bigay na.
Okay, let's proceed to Tita Edgy Garcia. Nandiyan na ba? Si Edgy.
Birthday and I wish your wish, all your wish come true. And be a good girl, okay? Gcash ka na lang.
Face here, Jacob. Okay.
Shy type si kay Tito. Okay, next. Mr. Tito Coach Garcia, Tito Jerry Garcia.
Kaya wish ko sa'yo, sana paglaki mo, magkaribig ka lang.
Ano na sinabi?
Alright, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga Blue Bills givers natin. So, Okay, let's hear a sweet message for the loving father, Rodney Garcia.
Hello. Happy birthday, Abina. Excited ka na. Lumaki ka na ng maayos. Di po. Ganyan pa rin. Still my baby. And thank you sa mga and thank you sa mga bisita, mga dumating sa birthday ni Athena. And thank you. Maraming salamat. Thank you pa.
Thank you for coming today.
Ano masabi mo kay Papa mo?
I love you.
Oh, nag-try siya.
Athena, under the letter B.
Alright, okay, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po maging sa inyong pagpunta at mag-ingat po sa ating pag-uwi. Meron tayong swimming pool kung gusto nyo maligo, mag-swim, and may mga food po tayo. Pwede pa po tayong kumain. Again, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.
Are you crying? Hug. Rodney, pinaiyak si Athena.
Di bali na makainom ng tubig basta ma-block.
has come and gone. We're gathered here to have some fun. Let's raise a glass to celebrate a special day, a special date. Happy birthday to you. May all your dreams come true. We're so glad you're in our lives. Let's make some unforgettable vibes.
Happy birthday! Sabi mo, happy birthday myself.
You filled our lives with joy and cheer. A friend so true, a soul so dear.
Monkey!
Let's dance and sing the whole night through. This birthday's all about you.